welcome to my YouTube channel. For the longest time, I've been pregnant with this baby and I'm super excited to have bettered it. If you're new here, you're welcome because we all are. We should just get drinks already. YouTube serve us some drinks. Okay guys, if you know me and everyone in my close circle knows I've been nursing this baby for a long time, and guys, I've been held down by different mindsets, and I'm here to share with you how to break out of the mindset that is holding you down from dropping your YouTube channel or whatever goals you have been unable to smash. I'm going to be sharing those mindsets and how you can break out of it. Lego. Perfection is an illusion. Like, stop worrying to be perfect, guys. I know, just like you, right? I flipped through all the YouTube channels. I saw the glitz and glam, and I was like, okay, I don't have the kind of lights, I don't have the mic, I still don't. I don't have the background, I don't have what it takes and everything to do what I need to do. So it kept holding me down. But I enrolled for this YouTube challenge, and our coach there pushed us so much and told us that we can start with what we have. A good content is enough for you to start. You get it? So stop worrying about perfection. Perfection is an illusion, and guess what? You would grow, and let people see your growth and see that, oh, last year she wasn't this good, but oh my god, she's growing. Like, is that not beautiful to watch? So just throw it and ditch that perfection mentality. Like they say, guys, everything is content. So when you have the right content, you're good to go. Second thing that held me down was knowledge. Like, you don't know where to start. Okay, remember I told you I enrolled for this YouTube challenge, right? Afterwards, with the same coach, I was able to get full knowledge by queuing into a course, and I got to do and know the do's and don'ts and everything that I needed to know about YouTube. So why am I sharing this? You need to get into that space where you are knowledgeable about what you want to go into. It is very important that you step into a place with the little or the best knowledge that you can get. Like, going into that course was like the game changer for me. Afterwards, I knew that I had what I needed. And I'm not saying that you need to go for the course for you to get everything. What I'm saying here is that you need to gather a lot or minimal knowledge that you need to start. So one of the things holding you down might probably be that you have not gotten the right knowledge or the right background to what you want to do, or you do not know how to start. So because you don't know how to start, begin to search for knowledge. Even the Bible says that he that seek will find. So seek. And guys, another hurdle that might just hold you down is comparison. See, I just like to tell anyone who wants to start her YouTube channel, don't compare yourself with any YouTuber. The Bible says that they that compare themselves with themselves, they are not wise. So if you start doing the maths, oh, I'll do it like this, I'll do it like her, I'll do it like her, or I'll do it like her. Research is beautiful, but getting to the point where you start comparing and it begins to make you weigh what you have and what you don't have. You get me? So instead of comparison, try to search within you. Look for your purpose. Look for the reason why you want to come on YouTube. Look for the people that you want to inspire. Think about the people you want to inspire. Think about the value that you're bringing to the world. Because for me, it looks like you're giving and sharing value to the entire world. You get? So search deep down and begin to pull out. Instead of checking externally, begin to search deep down to pull out value that you're about to give to your world. I think that should be a spark for you already. Next thing, and I know this is something a lot of people do not agree or own up to say, but I'm just going to say it here, is sheer laziness. You are procrastinating and pushing to start your YouTube channel because you are either lazy. And laziness is not it's not something that can just hold you down. It's something that you can break out of, you get? So I experienced that. I started becoming lazy and didn't want to pick up myself and do what I needed to do. So how was I able to tackle it? I met one of my old secondary school mates who was a YouTuber, and I began to talk to her, and honestly, she held me by the throat. She literally pulled me, like she'll call me and tell me, when are you filming? When are you editing? When are you dropping the video? She was on my neck. So if you know that you do not have a push or you're not self-driven, you could just probably get someone who is an accountability partner, someone who can push you, someone who can hold you by the hand and push you. Like, oh my god, shout out to Joyce Ben. I'm going to link her channel right here. She pushed me, she dragged me, she held me by the throat. She was there for me. She was giving me all the support that I needed. So you get, so if you are that person that is not self-driven, get someone who can be an accountability partner that will push you and help you meet your goals. The favorite part of why you should start your YouTube channel is because you are the light of the world. Yeah, you are the light of the world. And the Bible said that if a man lights a lamp and put it under the bushel, there'll be no light. Okay, that a man cannot do that. So your light is not shining if you sit down and gather all the knowledge and it's just in your room. Okay, so it is time to dust the book, shake yourself up, and show up. Because there's something unique, there's something just Elizabeth have, there's something that you carry that no one else have. There's a message that you have that no one else can share it like you do. There's a story you can tell that no one has experienced it the way you do. And guess what? Do not neglect or trivialize your story. Your story is so important and we need to hear your own story. That's the reason why we need to show up and we need to do what we need to do. And you are content, baby. You are content. In summary, I want you to ditch perfection, get knowledge on how to start your YouTube channel, get an accountability partner if you have to, and get to search deep down within yourself to know your why, your purpose, and what you're supposed to bring. And don't forget that you are content and you're the content that we are all waiting for. Okay, so on this channel we're going to be talking about faith, relationship, lifestyle, and I'm happy to have you as my new family. And guys, it's the Blessed Lisabella channel, and you know what that means. You are the blessed tribe, and I'm excited to have you in the family already. And just to join the family, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, and don't forget that you are the blessed child of the Lord. See you in my next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up